Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. This is your girl RC back at it again with another episode sa ating podcast. And this episode is a bit different from all of our podcasts kasi as you can see, I am not outdoors. I am not in a coffee shop or whatnot. I'm here at home. Actually, matutulog na ako. Pero joke lang, di pa ako matutulog kasi I'm still doing my laundry. Salamat sa washing machine. And oh my gosh, chaotic. Okay. Yan. Pusik turtles. So, ayun. Ang hirap ibalik. I just finished my skincare, my nighttime skincare routine. And just a background of my day. I had a long day. Umaga pa lang, we were out doing errands for a consultative meeting with Commission on Audit. Tapos, nakaupo ako sa desk ko 2 p.m. na. And hanggang 5 lang ang pasok. Tapos I was stuck in a traffic. 2 hours almost 2 hours simula Asiana City. Kasi doon ako dinrop nung mga boss ko hanggang 1 Ayala. Inabot ng almost 2 hours. Tapos ang haba pa ng pila pa bus. Tapos, usually nakakauwi ako mga 8 p.m. Pag 5 yung out ko or 5 to 6 p.m. yung out ko, nakakauwi ako mga 8 or past 8, 8:30. Kasi supposedly, ang aking bedtime ay 10 p.m. Dapat tulog na ako kasi gumigising ako ng 5, 10 or 11, ganyan. Pero ngayon guys, pagka uwi ko, stuck in the traffic, I had a long day at work, I still have some energy. I think this is my follicular phase kicking in. Kasi pag uwi ko, imagine nyo, nagsalang ako ng labahan, washing machine naman yun, pero still, it's an errand. Nagsalang ako ng labahan, nag-exercise ako for 10 minutes. I'm doing this stretches, Chinese athletic stretches. Tapos, naggupit pa ako ng buhok. Ayan o, nakapaggupit pa ako ng buhok. Tapos, naka-skincare na ako. Magsasampay na lang ako later. So, ang dami ko pang energy. Nagva-vlog pa ako ngayon. So, what I'm trying to say is, mostly this is hormones. I mean, on a normal day, sure, masipag si Arcela, but what's happening today, it's a miracle. Charot. This is hormones kicking in, and I believe this is the follicular phase. And for those of you who don't know what a follicular phase is, actually, hindi ko rin alam. Ang hirap pala mag-educate, di mo super duper alam. Pero, there are 4 phases kasi in the women's cycle. So, technically, mayroong 4 personalities yung mga sisters nyo, moms nyo, partners nyo. Merong menstrual phase. Sa menstrual phase, galit sila sa mundo, pagod sila. And then, here comes follicular phase. Ito yung time na marami silang energy, gusto nila maging organized. And follicular phase leading to ovulation phase. Ovulation phase, ito na yung sobrang grabe yung energy nila, sobrang sweet nila, clingy sila sa inyo, and lagi nila kayong namimiss. And then, here comes luteal phase. Yung luteal phase, ito naman yung phase na galit sila sa lahat ng tao. And luteal phase is leading to menstrual phase. I'm not sure if tama yung pattern ko, pero I think it is. So, I'll be conducting my research na lang, tapos ilagay ko na lang sa description if ever mali. Pero technically, yun yung 4 na cycles. So, I think I am in my follicular phase right now, considering na yung energy ko. It's here. Di pa kasi ako super bait, so I don't think na nasa ovulation na ako or something. Anyway, sinishare ko to because, bakit ko nga ba sinishare? Ayun, sinishare ko to for transparency that you can be all at once. And at the same time, you can be no one at once. If you know, you know. Diba? Maraming girls na nagsa-struggle kasi feel nila, ito yung image nila. Tapos pag hindi nila na-attain, or pag hindi nila nalilive up yung image nila, feel nila it's their fault, feel nila failure na sila or something. And I'm just here to validate na what you're feeling is valid and it's very, very normal. Especially sa katawan natin, no, mga kababaihan. And I just want to say na you can be this person and still be another person. It doesn't make you less of a person. You can be everyone, everything, if you want, all at once. Ganun talaga eh. what I can advise is to know yourself, no? In my case, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, I think I'm in my follicular phase. I think because hindi ko pa na-check sa aking calendar cycle. And yes, nag-check ako ng calendar cycle because that's my first step in being aware of my body. So, pag feel ko, galit ako sa mundo, check ko yung cycle ko. Shucks, malapit na ako magkaroon. So, in that, nakakapag-adjust ako ng attitude ko, nakakapag-adjust ako ng energy level ko. So, pag luteal ako, tapos galit ako sa mundo, I don't usually spend time with not close people. So, wala akong energy na makipag-socialize in a way that others want me to be socializationism. So, usually pag luteal ako, galit ako sa mundo, I also apologize to my partner kasi feel ko it's just the hormones talking. And shout out sa aking fiancé na super bait and super understanding in those rare moments na rare kasi mas nauna pa siyang mag-assume na ito yung phase na ako. Shout out naman sa kanya kasi sasabihin sa akin, hormones ba yan? Tapos check ko, ay shucks, oo nga hormones, pasensya ka na. Pero siya naman si todo validate. So, what you can do, okay, sa sarili natin, be aware, and then educate ourselves. Ako, marami pa akong bagay na dapat malaman, and kayo rin, marami pa kayong bagay na dapat malaman. And sa mga kapwa naman natin, what we can do about them is to extend our kindness, our patience, and understanding. Hindi na para, galit na ngayong isang tao, magagalit ka rin. Diyos ko po, I grew up in a household na parang laging galit. And it's not good, it's not giving, so a little kindness goes a long way naman. So, ayun. I think, yun lang muna ang aking yapping session for tonight. It's good to be back. I'm sorry I was gone for 2 weeks. I just really had a tough week. Ang dami nangyayari. Personal life ko, sa life ng mga family ko, at sa life ng mga mahal ko sa buhay. And I feel like I'm taking it all at once. Charis, hindi naman. Managing. Pero sa ngayon, yun lang muna gusto kong i-impart sa inyo. Paghahandaan ko yung mga next videos natin para hindi na ganitong yapping ulit. And yeah, sana sa next episode natin meron na ulit akong kasama kasi lungkot naman mag-isa. Char. Pero that's it for tonight. I hope you guys have a wonderful day ahead. And if you're watching this ng paggabi na rin, good night, besties. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and listening to Soundcheck with RC. Bye-bye!